Hello traders, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, bonjour, bonsoir mes amis, good morning, guten Tag, guten Abend, bonjour, bonsoir mes amis. For those of you who are new to us, we are the TSTW, soit S008 traders. For all trades, we will use the 5% money management rules and apply stop loss in all trades. This video is for educational purposes only. It's neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell any financial instrument. It is primarily for the TSTW soit S008 traders. Today is the 5th of October 2013, and the time in London is 48 minutes past 11 a.m. in New York, 48 minutes past 6 a.m. Happy Saturday to you all. The title of this video is Proprietary Chart Analysis. Proprietary Chart Analysis. Alright? In this video, we're going to use our free proprietary tool, okay? The financial static way. Alright? 2 years ago, in 2011 or 12, I have released to the market, okay, what I call, okay, the financial static way. To avoid that the video is too long, I will refer traders back to our YouTube channel, www.youtube.com/JoTrio, or to our website, www.stochasticmoney.com. You can watch the video that we call Dow Root Indicator 2012. This year we have released also Dow Root Indicator 2013. Okay, we will also release in the future, okay, Nasdaq Root Indicator, FTSE 100 Root Indicator, DAC 30 Root Indicator, CAC 40 Root Indicator. We will use today, okay, the financial static way to analyze, okay, stock charts. Okay, this free proprietary tool is valid for stock trading, commodity trading, forex trading, any financial instrument for chart analysis. In 2012, when we released the Dow Root Indicator 2012, we have noticed that Johnson & Johnson was the only stock listed on the Dow 30 that had, okay, the financial static way equal to 3. Pay attention. When a stock or a financial instrument have a financial static way equal to 3, all right, I said to you that I don't want to go too deeply into this. I refer you already to the video that you need to watch, all right? So check it out so you may understand what is that financial static way, what is financial static way equal to 1, 2, or 0, all right? So that's why I don't want to talk about it. In 2012, pay attention, we said to trader that Johnson & Johnson was the only stock that has the financial static way equal to 3, that Johnson & Johnson has a high chance to trend, to begin either a bullish cycle or a bearish cycle. We know that. So when we see a stock that has a financial static way equal to 3, we smile, all right? Now the next move is to do our due diligence by going to Google Finance, Yahoo Finance, Bloomberg, check the management, the cash flow. The cash is the king. Are they making money? How much money they got in their bank account? Compare how much money they got in their bank account, the cash flow, with, okay, the current liability. If they do not have enough money to pay their short-term debt, we will, okay, forecast that that stock has a high chance to trend to the downside, because if they can't pay their short-term debt, they're under pressure. So if they have also financial static way equal to 3, we will be bearish. But if we do our due diligence and we notice that, okay, they have enough cash to pay their short-term debt, okay, and the price maybe is also below their net asset price or their book value, or they have excellent management, they are coping with the competition. All right, remember the competition for, okay, research in motion. You see now what's happening to research in motion? Crash under the competition of okay, Android and iPhone. You see now. So we want to do our verification. It's not sufficient to just see financial static way equal to 3 and just go and buy and hold or sell and forget. We want to do our verification. So in 2012, Johnson & Johnson was the only stock that had the financial static way equal to 3. With excellent, fundamental in place, this stock has started trending. You see here, this on the yearly chart. This is 2012 stock candle here, and from there, the stock breakout. If a stock has a financial static way equal to 3, that stock has a high chance, more than 80% of the chance, to break out or to break down. Sometimes it may take longer, it can take even more than a year for the stock to show which direction it's going. But you want to keep eyes on it, because as soon as we see that it got a financial static way equal to 3, we want to keep eyes on it, we want to chase it and follow it and know what is likely to take place. And here it is, it went up big time. If you want to see how it ran fast, if you go to the monthly chart, you can see that, from 2012, you see here 2012, it was here, and then boom, 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 up. Talking about Elliott wave language, this is the first Elliott wave. I don't want to talk about this now. You have to understand also the tool that we use, the trading triangle, the market first, the sector before the individual financial instrument. The heart of the trading triangle, the leaders, the market leaders, the fundamentals and the economy news can change the dynamics of the market. So we are working together, in harmony with our tools, so we can make excellent decisions. Before we continue, ladies and gentlemen, I will show you one stock that I want to talk about today. This stock is very interesting. It's listed on the Nasdaq 100 American stock, and the name is AMAT, Epic Alpha Mike Alpha Tango, AMAT. All right, Applied Material Incorporation. All right, is a semiconductor equipment material trader. So you see now, so this is the stock I want to discuss with you today using our free proprietary tool, the financial static way, and the 6 critical price level. All right, so pay attention carefully. I want to refer traders back to one article that I have written, that I posted on articlebase.com, www.articlebase.com. Check Google it, go to Google, type in trading critical price level, and you will see an article written by myself coming up nicely for you, and you can know what is the 6 critical price level, what is the small median line, so you may know what we are discussing here. But we want to focus on the 6 critical price level, especially the root small median line, and also, especially, the financial static way. Looking at AMAT stock, always we go to the yearly charts. This is about proprietary chart analysis, by stochastic MACD. Here it is, ladies and gentlemen. This stock is very interesting. Why is it very interesting? It does not have a financial static way equal to 3. However, the difference between the root small median line of the last 3 years is almost negligent. When we see, sometimes you may not see equal root small median line for 3 consecutive years, because if a stock has the same root small median line for 3 consecutive years, it has a financial static way equal to 3. Now you know it. Now sometimes you may not have, exactly like Lavoisier, exactly the same root small median line for 3 consecutive years, but the difference between the 3 consecutive small median line, root small median line, may be negligent. When we see that the difference between the 3 root small median line for the last 3 consecutive years is almost negligent, is also very interesting for us. All right, we will keep eyes on it. You will see those stocks. I mentioned one stock this year on the Dow Root Indicator 2013. You want to go and watch that video. I don't want to dwell on that. So I have drawn some line here for you. The root small median line for AMAT is the orange line here. This is not the exact level, it's in the zone, so I don't want to tell you the level exactly, but it's the orange line here. All right, this is the orange line. If you want to note it down, but you can calculate yourself by using the formula for the Roots-Small Median line. All right, it's the orange line here, roughly at 12.81. Call it $13. All right, this is the Roots-Small Median line for this year 2013 for this stock Amat. Look, the Roots-Small Median line for 2012 is the yellow line here. Can you see the yellow line on your chart? That's where I put my cursor now. It's not the exact level. It's in the zone of, call it, it's 14.91, but that's not the exact level. Call it $15. All right. The difference between this one, okay, the orange line and the yellow line is not too big. Very interesting. Move on. The Roots-Small Median line for 2011 is the red line, which is almost equal to the yellow line. You see, it's very close to the yellow line. Can you see? This is the red line here. Is also at 15.74. Let's round it to 16. All right, but it's not 16. It's in a zone, okay, of 16. All right, but it's the red line here. The point I want you to remember is not the exact level, is that the difference between these three lines is almost negligent. It's not too big. It's the same zone, all right? For that reason, all right, Amat become very interesting for us. Though it does not have a financial static weight equal to 3, Amat has a high chance, ladies and gentlemen, Amat has a high chance to break out to the upside or to break down to the downside. Very interesting. Another thing I need to mention to traders, so we talk about 2013, 2012, 2011, 3 consecutive years. The difference between these Roots-Small Median line is almost negligent. I have a good news for you. In 2010, the Roots-Small Median line for the 2010 and 2009, Amat has the same Roots-Small Median line for 2 consecutive years, 2010 and 2009. In fact, the Roots-Small Median line for 2008 is not far away from the Roots-Small Median line of 2009 and 2010. But one thing I want you to remember is that the Roots-Small Median line for 2010 and 2009 is equal. So we will say in 2010 that Amat has a financial static weight equal to 2. But remember that we can say now that 2013, 2012, 2011, the difference between the Roots-Small Median line is almost negligent, bringing to our mind, okay, that this stock has a high chance to break out to the upside or to break down to the downside. But before that, in 2009 and 2010, this stock has the same Roots-Small Median line, which means the financial static weight was equal to 2. Though we do not have a financial static weight equal to 3, which means we do not have the same Roots-Small Median line for 3 consecutive years, but the difference between these 3 Roots-Small Median line is almost negligent. Therefore, this stock becomes very, very interesting for us. What's the next move, ladies and gentlemen? Before we go and buy and hold or sell and forget, ladies and gentlemen, we want to check the management. If you have a useless management, all right, the stock will not go anywhere. Look at Google, look at Apple. This is about the management propelling or boosting their company. You want to check the management. What are they doing? The next thing, check the product. Apart from what I've said to you about the cash flow and the short-term debt, you want to also align everything with the markets. We are now talking about the fiscal discussion in the United States, raising the debt ceiling in the United States. In the next 2 weeks, we want to be aware of that. If they mess it up, all stock will start going down. So if we are bullish, we need to be very careful. The best approach, when we see a stock that has a financial static weight equal to 3, in my view, it's better to use a trading portfolio instead of using CFD, spread betting, and all the other trading tools. It will be better. This is better for investors to have a proper stock portfolio. You can open it with any bank, and you buy and hold if the fundamentals are sound and you are satisfied with your due diligence. This is very, very important. Why? Because if the stock is going to break out or break down, it will take some time. Okay, so you want to buy, especially for those who want to buy and hold. We know that if it's bullish, we want to buy and hold. We will buy and hold physically. So the price may oscillate, go ups and down. We remain in the market. We want to hold it for at least 2 or 3 years. Ladies and gentlemen, before you make any investment decision, if you are not sure, consult your financial advisor. This video is for educational purposes only. It's about proprietary chart analysis. This video is for educational purposes only. Traders and investors are responsible for their own decision. It's very important. As you have seen for Johnson & Johnson, the price did not start going up straight away. It takes some time, but slowly but gradually, the price started going up. Same thing, we have to keep eyes on this amount, do our due diligence, and if we receive a clear-cut signal to buy, we will buy and hold it in a stock portfolio that is paying dividend, with a dividend reinvestment plan, which means you earn dividend on the stock, they reinvest that dividend to buy more of that stock for you. But do not be greedy, ladies and gentlemen. It's up to you what you do with this information. But it's very important for traders to understand that this method of investment is powerful. As I demonstrated to traders, 2012, we see the stock that has financial static weight equal to 3, Johnson & Johnson. This year again, we look at Dow Root Indicator 2013. Next year, I will publish Dow Root Indicator 2014. I have not yet published any NASDAQ Root Indicator, which I'm working on right now. Talking about this stock, I'm at Apply Material Incorporation, American stock, EPIC AMAT. All right. This stock, though it does not have the same root smart media line for 3 consecutive years, the difference between the last 3 root smart media line is not significant. Therefore, this stock has a high chance to break out or to break down. If the fundamentals are poor, it's likely to go down. If the fundamentals are sound, there's a high chance that the stock will break out. It will break out to the upside. It's powerful. Once we locate a stock that has a financial static weight equal to 3, we are busy checking the fundamentals, analyzing the fundamental, aligning the technical with the fundamental. This is powerful. We want to use a dividend reinvestment, investment strategy, so we can remain in the market without being taken out by the crazy traders. I hope you have learned something from this video. Traders, day traders will also, so if you are a day trader, you say, okay, I'm a day trader, I don't want to buy a hold. So you are giving priority to bullish signal if your due diligence confirms to you that the fundamentals are solid. Going back now to the daily charts, day traders, we start drawing channels. Price going up, price will be in a rising channels. So there is a channel here already in place. All right. So I can join. Now I have this point, and this point allow me to draw my first line. I choose one point on the top here, and I draw a line that is parallel to my first line. As you can see, the price came here. This is the target zone. So now you see again, it's hanging here. All right, hanging here. We want to draw also the media line. Now, as I said to traders, we will always, as a TSCWSY usual 8 traders, use the trading triangle always and pay attention to the economy news. We don't want to use the fundamental alone, and we don't want to force the markets. The price has broken above the red line here. So you see it's pulling back a bit, If we go now to, I will show you something also that you need to pay attention to. I'll go to the monthly chart, and I will add the indicator, the volume indicator on my chart, and we want to see what is going on with the trading volume for this amount stock. Sometime you will see that stock that is due to go up will go down first before going up. Why? Because some smart traders want to buy below the fair value. All right, something is good quality, they want to buy it cheap. That's why it's so important to use traders must use their dividend reinvestment portfolio to trade this type of stock. As you can see, there is a lot of activity taking place. There was a high volume here, and they sold it here. Since then, you can see the price is going horizontal, is consolidating on low volume. All right, so we were watching okay, this stock. I'll go now to the recently. You can see some activity here on the monthly chart. Okay, this volume, especially here. All right, very, very beautiful. All right, so this is about okay, proprietary chart analysis. Ladies and gentlemen, if you are TSTW trader and you have any question, do not hesitate to contact me on my Gmail, and I will get back to you. I hope you have learned something from this video and will put into use, okay, to make excellent decisions. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW SYS 008 traders. This is about proprietary chart analysis. Speak to you soon.